Saan mapapanood ang Drag Race Philippines Legion Royale? Well, good for you. Libre siya mapanood yung episode 1. Episode 1 sa YouTube ng Wow Presents Plus. So actually available na siya. Gimmick to ng Wow Presents Plus, parang patikim, kumbaga, free taste. Parang yung episode 1 ng bawat season. Tapos kung gusto nyo malaman yung mangyayaring susunod, mag-subscribe na kayo. Yan, so this is the first method. You can watch the first episode sa YouTube, or you can go to Wow Presents Plus. Available yung episode 1 for free. And then, if you want to subscribe sa Wow Presents Plus, it's 299 pesos per month. Tapos, pagka annual, that's 3,490. Karamihan ng mga palabas sa Wow Presents Plus are yung lahat ng under Wow. So, yung mga drag race, lahat ng franchise ng drag race sa US, sa Philippines, sa Canada, sa UK. So, kung super fan kayo at gusto nyong mag-binge ng mga ganong content, then sulit siya. Pero kung casual watcher ka at hindi ka naman interesadong manood ng ibang mga franchises ng drag race, so kaya hindi mo bet or hindi mo trip yung mga after shows and the other stuff, then baka hindi ito yung pinaka worth it na method for you. Maybe pwede kang humanap ng kahate or makinood ka sa may account. At least this is the legal way. Syempre, I don't promote piracy. Mas maganda, actually, if you could, another way for you to watch the season is by attending viewing parties and watch parties. Katulad nung sa Bikenemen and sa Rampa. I have experienced going to a Bikenemen viewing party last year. I'm gonna post my experience of that sometime. But yeah, that's another way na for you to enjoy the season na masusupport mo rin yung queens in person because they usually are there and they're performing, and minsan may may meet and greet opportunities and photo op, and you can support them directly by tipping them. So yeah, that's another way kung hindi nyo bet mag-subscribe ng another subscription, kasi I get it, like dami-dami sa subscribe, like yeah. So yun lang, if may questions kayo, tanong mo kayo dito, and hanggang sa muli, bye bye.